Time management in customer service isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of delivering exceptional service. Think about it. Every time a customer reaches out, they have an expectation. They want answers and they want them fast. Imagine you're on a live chat and a customer is waiting for a solution. If you can resolve their issue within minutes, you're not just meeting their expectation, you're exceeding it. That creates a positive impression, boosts customer satisfaction, and builds loyalty. But how do we get there? How do we juggle the demands of incoming calls, follow-ups, and emails without feeling like we're drowning? Here's the reality. Time management is critical. It's about prioritizing tasks, handling high workloads, and ultimately improving productivity. Studies show that if you can prioritize effectively, you can boost your productivity by up to 20%. That's huge. So let's dig into some common challenges we face in customer service and how we can tackle them head on. First off, interruptions and distractions. You know the drill. You're deep in a complex issue and suddenly a notification pops up. It's so easy to get sidetracked. The solution? Schedule uninterrupted time for those complex tasks. Limit multitasking. I know it sounds easier said than done, but trust me, your focus will thank you. Then there's procrastination. We've all been there, right? That looming deadline, and yet we find ourselves scrolling through social media instead of tackling that customer complaint. The trick is to break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. If you're staring down a mountain of emails, don't think of it as one big task. Instead, tell yourself, I'm just going to respond to 5 emails right now. Before you know it, you've cleared a significant chunk of your inbox. Now, let's talk about overcommitting. It's tempting to say yes to every request, but that can lead to burnout and compromised performance. Learn to delegate or say no when necessary. It's not a weakness, it's a strength. You're prioritizing your workload and ensuring that what you do take on is done excellently. One of the most effective strategies out there is the Eisenhower Matrix. It's a simple way to categorize your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. For instance, resolving a customer complaint, urgent and important. Attending a non-critical meeting, not so much. This way, you can focus on what truly matters. Another fantastic technique is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. It's amazing how many little things can pile up and become overwhelming. Responding to a simple email, just do it. Trust me, you'll feel lighter once those little tasks are off your plate. Setting SMART goals is also a game changer. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals give you a clear direction. For example, aim to resolve 90% of customer queries within 24 hours. This not only improves service efficiency, but also gives you a benchmark to work towards. Let's not forget about technology. There are so many tools out there designed to help us streamline our workflows. CRM systems can track customer interactions and prioritize follow-ups. Task managers like Trello or Asana can help you organize daily tasks and set deadlines. And time trackers like Toggle, they're fantastic for monitoring how much time you actually spend on tasks. You might be surprised to find out where your time goes. Batching similar tasks is another effective strategy. Instead of responding to emails sporadically throughout the day, set aside a dedicated time block to tackle them all at once. This reduces context switching and helps you maintain focus. And if you've got repetitive tasks, consider automating them. Chatbots can handle frequently asked questions, freeing you up to deal with more complex issues. Delegate where you can. It's not just about you, it's about the entire team working together to provide the best service possible. Planning and reviewing your day is essential. Start each day with a clear plan. What are your priorities? What do you need to accomplish? At the end of the day, take a moment to reflect on what you achieved. This not only helps you stay on track, but also allows you to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Now, let's look at some specific scenarios. When handling high call volumes, a call prioritization system can be a lifesaver. Address urgent cases first and implement a callback feature to reduce wait times. If you're multitasking across channels, use unified communication tools to manage chats, emails, and calls in one interface. This keeps everything organized and reduces the risk of errors. Resolving complex issues, schedule dedicated time to investigate and tackle those problems. Block off time in your calendar to focus solely on that issue without distractions. Building long-term habits is crucial for sustainable success. Start your day by tackling the most challenging task. First, it's like eating the frog. Get it out of the way, and don't forget to take regular breaks. The Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, can help you recharge and maintain focus during those back-to-back calls. Finally, reflect and adjust your strategies regularly. What works for one person might not work for another. Analyze which techniques are effective for you and refine them as needed. In the end, effective time management isn't just about getting things done. It's about enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing stress, increasing productivity, and achieving a better work-life balance. By mastering these skills, you can elevate your service excellence, improve your productivity, and maintain a healthy balance in your life. So take a deep breath, embrace these strategies, and watch how they transform your customer service experience.